Hello Foxies, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to do a hair transformation. We're going to transform this hair right here into a very 70s retro, big voluminous curls, Farrah Fawcett kind of look with this new curling wand that I got. And I'll show you how to do that. I think first we might cut a little bit of hair off to kind of help with the curls. And I'll show you how we can get this done. All right, I just freshly washed my hair. It is washed, it is dry. I got a little bit of heat protectant in this, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do to get those big curls. So I think the first thing we're gonna do is we'll section off the front part that we gave a little trim to earlier. It's right around here, and I drew it to my ear. Okay, now that we've separated the front from the back, we're gonna go and pin up some of it so we can start the curling process. So I'm gonna start right at about the ears. And okay, now with each of these curls, I'm gonna end up pinning them up. So I'm going to start with my new styling wand here. To actually rock it sometimes so you can get it up closer to the scalp without really burning you. You can kind of adjust how that feels and get a little bit more root lift. Okay, now we're going to take down the next parting. And so we maybe want to leave about, I don't know, maybe an inch worth of hair. So we did this right near the top of the ear. Let's go right about here and take the next section up. What I'm using today is a new curling wand that Duval kindly sent me. It's one of their Pro Series titanium curling wands. They have 2 barrel sizes. I chose this one because it was a smaller one, which is 25 millimeter. That's about an inch. What I love most about this wand is definitely the cool tip on the end, so that I can hold it while I curl my hair. My last curling wand didn't have a tip like this, and I found myself constantly burning my finger or finding it kind of awkward to use. So I definitely appreciate that this one has one. So today I've set this to 390 degrees. I find that that's my personal Goldilocks zone, or should I say silvery lock zone. You know what, Foxies? Duval has really given me a great discount for you guys. You can get 70% off with the discount code SilverFoxy. So if you're interested, I'll leave a link for you in the description box. All right, my hair has cooled down for a good 15 minutes, so I'm gonna start taking these out and then we're gonna create all the volume that we need. So I'm gonna start in the same order I put them up. I'm just gonna take down the bottom ones. You know what, in each one, I'm gonna take each little curl here and actually tease it a bit. Maybe the bottom row we won't put hairspray, but I think we're gonna start using some big hairspray throughout this hairstyle. And sometimes I even take one of the curls and just fluff it up a little bit more beyond that. All right, so here is the final look. Our big voluminous curls that are very retro 70s-esque, very Farrah Fawcett. And we did it all with our new curling wand. Thank you so much again, Duval, for this curling wand that got this amazing hair look that I think I might be wearing a lot more often. This retro thing is actually a thing. I want to thank Duval again for the amazing curling wand we used to get this look. And just remember, there is a discount code for 70% off of this curling iron or some of their other products as well, using the code SilverFoxy. And remember to always stay foxy.